Today I'll make a scratch game from all of your terrible ideas. Let's do this. This first game idea is of Obama saving Mars with a chicken rifle. This is crazy. Now here is your Obama saves Mars with a rifle game. I'm going to destroy Mars. No fear, Obama's here. Ah! Okay, so now this game is really horrible, but still is something. Now this next video idea is making a skibidi war. I think what they mean here is making a skibidi toilet war. Okay, now guys, as you can see from this here, you can see that this is a very bad project. So please don't be mad at me for this. Hello. It is time for skibidi toilet war. Skibidi pop pop, yes, skibidi pop pop. It is terrible, but just please, I am a good scratcher, I promise. Okay, now I'm fully brainwashed by your ideas. If you want to give me scratch video ideas in the comments, please make sure they're not brainwashed. Anyway, bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe.